Hey guys, my name is That's me no sound, and today I'm going to tell you who are my top 5 favorite YouTubers. So I will begin at number 5 and then go to number 1. So to begin with number 5, I don't did this when that I can't talk English. Alright, so I'm going to... I just fucking care. I'm just going to begin. So yeah, let's begin at number 5. I'm choosing... I think a nanners gaming channel. Yeah guys, nanners does a lot of games like Black Ops and... Yeah, 2 years ago or like 1 year ago, he did a lot of Black Ops with zombies and on zombies and Black Ops 2. I mean Black Ops 2. I think Black Ops 1, but I don't know that. But yeah, let's go to number 4. So yeah, guys, number 4. I think I'm going to choose the Syndicate project. Yes guys, the Syndicate project. He has like now maybe 9 million subs, I think. So I really like his videos. They're fun, amazing as well, and he's gaming with nanners too. So I think I'm going to put the Syndicate project and nanners and Shark, I think. Going to put right in the description below so you can watch them. And so yeah, let's go to number 3. So yeah guys, number 3 I'm going to put PewDiePie. Yeah, PewDiePie is one of the most famous YouTubers that ever been. So PewDiePie have now actually 39 million subscribers, but about plus 200,000 I think he has 40 million. So I cannot wait for that. So, but yeah, his videos are amazing. They are fun as well. Let's see. I'm just going to say what game he plays. I really liked his Happy Wheels. I played that game as well. Actually, it's called Total Jerk Face when you want to play it. And yeah. Alright guys, let's go to number 2. And number 2, I'm going to put VANOSSGAMING, and of course everyone knows VANOSSGAMING. He's amazing. He plays Prop Hunt. He plays Dead Realm, I think. Wow, he's really fun. I will put his channel name in the description below too, so I know that some of you guys know VANOSSGAMING. It's amazing. And yeah, he's funny as well. And just H.O. Delirious and Minilad are they're the funniest of that group of VANOSSGAMING. So yeah, I'm now going to number 1. Alright guys, on number 1 I'm going to put Clash of Clans with Kim. Yes, and a lot of people don't know him, very lot of people, but he has now like 628,000 subscribers, and I'm now watching his videos too. I'm really watching it now. So yeah, he is fun as well. He's kind of cool, you know. That, and because of why maybe you're thinking, why should I put Clash of Clans webcam number 1 because when I saw his draw your life, I thought like maybe should I begin YouTube too to make people laugh, but I'm not funny as him or all the other YouTubers. I have a bad quality of videos, very bad at this. I really suck. So yeah, he plays Clash of Clans. It's an amazing game. And I'm going to maybe make one video of that, but it's with no sound. That's why, guys, I put "see that's me, no sound" in the name. So yeah, but here I'm going to stop, guys. Like, subscribe, and see you later.